Hello and welcome back to Miss Davita's Art Room. And today we are going to draw some lovely lizards. And this project is for Miss Masden's homeroom class. They are a wonderful first grade class, so this is by special request. You need to get your drawing utensil, you need to get your paper, and we're going to put our little lovely lizard example off to the side here. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our paper horizontally. That means across like this. All right. And we're going to come in and we're going to draw sort of a little V shape like this. What do you think that's going to be? If you said the lizard's head, that's correct. All right. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to come into the side, draw a circle on each side. It does not have to be perfect. A circle inside of that circle. Any other circle, and then in the middle, get your little eye. So we got some little kooky crazy eyes here. A couple little nostrils for our little lizard. All right, what you're gonna do is we're gonna come down. So we're gonna make the front legs, kind of looks a little bit like arms. And lizards have legs that kind of bend back in the front. Looks like a backwards knee, sort of. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna come down. On each side. This looks like a little boomerang shape, friends, okay? And you can extend it out a little bit, make it a little narrower as it goes along. So he's got little arms, right? And we're gonna have some little lizard toes. And they're kind of spread out, and they're kind of long, so that they can grip on whatever they're climbing on, right? All right, so we got our front arms. Looks kind of like he's dancing. I like a little come in here on each side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go like that, almost like a letter U shape, upside down letter U shape, and a little chubby body there. Okay, are we finished? It looks a little bit like a frog, right? Now we're gonna come up, and the legs on the back, friends, go the opposite way. They kind of, another V shape, but they're gonna go the opposite way of these, okay? So they're gonna kind of point towards each other, in other words, all right? You can make it a little longer if you wanted to. Okay, like that. Kind of like he's got his little bendy knees, like he's crawling. So I'm crawling along, leaf, I'm a lizard. Get your little toe in there. All right, well, my lizard foot is gonna be going off on this side, and that is okay. All right, so I'll show you both feet here. Look at that, okay? But my lizard's crawling off the paper. Nothing wrong with that, right? Now, when you make the tail, ladies and gentlemen, you can kind of curl it around. Let's make his long, curly tail. His little tail goes like this. And Miss Masden's class probably knows that she actually has a pet lizard named Lucky. And he's very, very cute. All right, so we got our lizard tail, okay? And what we're gonna do, we can put designs on it. We can put spots. We can put, I'm gonna put some little jelly bean shapes right here. Kind of just making it super cute. I'm not sure quite what kind of lizard this would be. This is more like just some combination of different lizards maybe. Some kind of more like a cross between like a gecko and something else, maybe like a, I'm not sure, salamander maybe? Maybe some stripes on the legs. You can get very creative if you want to, you know. All right, now, I made my little lucky lizard here with a leaf in the background. You know how to make that kind of leaf. You can make several different leaves if you wanted to. Or, you know, you could make, I'm gonna make a different kind of leaf this time. Just kind of coming back behind the lizard. So maybe he's, or she, is in the jungle, just climbing out a leaf, looking for something to eat. Maybe a cricket. Something like that, right? Got some flowers back off in the background. 1 and 2. Okay. So there we have it, friends. We have our lovely, lucky lizard. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.